Hi everyone, my name's Nicole and I am a certified athletic trainer. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective sensory innovation called sound therapy. Sound therapy uses calming or structured sounds like natural sounds, white noise, or slow rhythmic music to help regulate your nervous system. This can be especially helpful if you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, having trouble focusing, or even struggling with sleep. Today, I'll not only explain it, but actually guide you through how to use it so that you can try it yourself. So just some background. Sound therapy works by helping your brain shift into a more relaxed state. It can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, support recovery after physical or mental fatigue, and help regulate breathing and heart rate. This is something you can easily use before competition, during recovery, or even at home when you need to reset. Sound therapy is generally safe for most people, including athletes of all levels. However, a few things to keep in mind. Avoid using headphones at very high volume. If you have sensitivity to sound or a history of migraine triggered by noise, start with low volume. Make sure you're in a safe environment. Don't do this while driving or doing anything that requires your full attention. So I'm going to do a step-by-step demonstration. So we're going to do this together now. So I want you to kind of set up your environment. You're going to find a comfortable position. I'm going to tilt my camera down a bit so that you can see me a little bit better. And so you're going to find a comfortable position. For me, this is going to be sitting upright. You can't see my legs, but they are crisscross applesauce. And you're going to make sure that your space is relatively quiet and free from distraction. So in this instance, I'm kind of in a corner of a room and just quiet. Um, so the second step is choosing your sound. Today I'm going to be using a calm nature sound, specifically ocean waves. So you're going to hear that in the background in just a minute. You can use your phone, headphones, or a speaker. I have YouTube pulled up on my phone, so that's what I'll be using. So you're going to hear this. I'll bring it closer so that you can hear, and that's just going to be in the background right over here. So the next step is focusing your attention. What you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes if you feel comfortable and bring your attention to the sound. So we're going to do this together. I want you to notice the rhythm, the rise and the fall. I'm going to go ahead and close my eyes for a few seconds. Good. Now you're going to try and match your breathing to the sound. Breathing in slowly through your nose for about 4 seconds, making sure it fills your belly and not your chest. And then you're going to breathe out slowly through your mouth for about 6 seconds. So I'll guide you for a few rounds. Again, close your eyes if you feel comfortable. So inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, inhale and exhale. We're going to do this for three more cycles. I'll do it along with you. And one more cycle. If your mind starts to wander, that's completely okay and normal. Just gently bring your focus back to the sound. The last step is staying present. So we're going to continue to do this for like another minute. And eventually you can do this for 2 to 5 and even progress up to 10 minutes if it feels helpful. So we're just going to come back together for another minute. I'm not going to talk, and we're just going to close our eyes and breathe, focusing on the sound. And I will have the sound closer to you so you can hear it a little bit better. All right, amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the sound. Um, and so just to go over some modifications, if any of this doesn't feel right for you, there are some additional options. The first being trying different sounds, whether that's white noise or rain or even instrumental music. The second modification could be using headphones so that you get more of an immersive experience, or even speakers if you prefer less intensity. Just make sure to not have the speakers blaring at full volume. And lastly, if sitting still is difficult, you can combine this with light stretching or walking or even laying down if that helps to kind of calm you down with your eyes closed. Um, just again to reiterate, this is a tool you can use independently anytime you need a reset. I recommend using sound therapy for 2 to 10 minutes once or twice a day, or even before or after workouts and competitions. Ultimately, consistency is key to getting the most benefit. So, all in all, to recap, sound therapy is a simple, accessible way to help your body relax, improve focus, and support recovery. If you ever feel unsure whether this is right for you or if some symptoms persist, make sure to reach out to your athletic trainer or other healthcare provider. Thank you for following along. I hope this helps you feel more controlled and supported. Have a great day.